Burger with taco seasoning, jalapeno, and Velveeta.
Salsa shark.
It's all jailhouse food. It's all stuff you can buy in the commissary.
It burns us!
He's gotta get that last one, that little tiny one there.
Get it.
That kind of died.
Is that corn?
Yeah.
Potatoes.
Corn. Corn nibbles, man.
Got the light. Oh wait, wrong cord.
That works good.
We've got corn on the grill. Get Jonathan Davis off of there.
You got a half one. It's going to be light.
The people driving by it, they're all staring.
They're like,
It's because my family's odd.
they're like,
Barbecue,
like
like
barbecue
winter time.
and it's raining out.
It's like fucking Brad calling up that day. I didn't think you'd be barbecuing.